If you're ever looking for a security camera system, because now that you feel that more threats are around us, you want to make sure you get the proper security. Either you want to secure your business or your home. This is a perfect kit for you guys. Now, you get 4 cameras, you get 4 solar panels, and pretty much everything you're going to require, from mounting the actual units itself to connecting to the Ethernet, the actual base system itself. Now, out of the box, they give you the base system. This is going to act more like the brains of the whole system itself. Now, to connect this, you could do this wireless 2.4, or you could do 5 hertz. Now, it's compatible with the system. Also included with it, you want to be able to do a couple things. You could download the app and you could view it through your app, or you could do it live directly connecting to a TV or monitor, and you could actually go back into the timeline and capture certain things. It has intelligent AI system built in to capture certain moments, certain areas that you want to make sure you want to capture. You want to have a zone, you could set these up. Each camera can individually be set up with its own memory card underneath of it. It's going to intelligent track individuals or pets or animals and cars that are coming into the zone to record automatically. Now, included with it, all these can rotate to 360. They have lights, floodlights included with it. Two-way connection audio. Each camera can capture up to 2K. You could even lower it down if the resolution needs to be lowered down for just because of the signal. Now, this space has to be between all the cameras. Make sure you connect it somewhere where it could capture and directly go back into the system. The system itself also includes a 64 gig of memory, but you can increase it yourself. The great thing about it is that it recycles the loop. It loops the actual videos if you wanted to, but if you want to maintain a 24 hours surveillance, I suggest you buy a larger memory card, and each camera would have to be connected individually with a power source. Unfortunately, this can only capture certain things and through the day, a couple hours here and there. But if you wanted to run 24 hours, you're going to have to connect it directly to a USB. And of course, there is a USB connection here that's in the back of the actual each camera that can be connected directly or to the actual solar panels. Now, the base itself has a power connection. If you guys can see, it has a RJ45 connection, so you could connect directly to your network. Another HDMI connection, USB. Now, included with it, they're going to give you an application, how to download the app, because you could either do it through the app. And also another thing is that you don't need to connect this to a network. It could be wirelessly to also connect it. And you could log in through either your phone, or if you want to connect this directly to a live TV, you can do that. Included with it, a mouse. Now, this is more like a computer base that's going to act like to control the module system. And it's all within the actual system, and it's very petite. It doesn't take a lot of additional space. That each camera can easily be mounted. They're all included with the mounts, including with the screws. And it's very simple to set up. So we're also going to show you guys the application behind this. All right, this process, I'm going to blur it out because you got to come with your phone and set your barcode up. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, we entirely set up everything. Right now, what you're looking at is a live view from my actual phone through the systems that are not set up outdoors yet, but we're going to set them up today. You could set up the main camera here for split camera, and if you have more cameras, you could set up to 10 cameras, like I said. So right now, we're going to do the 4 cameras in here. You could go play, replay, and then you could add additional stuff in here, and then you could go to settings. We're going to settings, and here you're going to have to log in as the admin. So let's log in. Once you log in, you got settings to set up pretty much your entire network and the account. You can even reset if you're going to sell this device, or you're going to give it to your loved ones. You could just reset it. All right. So all the cameras are included in here, and we're going to go back into the system so you guys can see it. So it's working very well right now. I like this little device that we're looking at it right now, and we're going to set each camera up in its own base. All right, here it is on my TV. I set up the box right here because I have a switch right here so it could run real quick. And the signal's not that bad, you know? So anytime I want to check around my house, make sure that the neighborhood's okay, this is what I can do. Now, the best part about it, you see that? Anytime movement happens, camera takes effect. I could see majority parts of my house. I want to add 2 more cameras for the service, but this is great. And if I want to come in here and make some changes or maybe playback, you could just move the mouse. All right, so now that we installed the application, go into the actual system itself, and we're going to open it up. And right now we just installed it, and it's right here. If you guys can see the playback right now from here, I can remote control into the system itself. If you guys can see, look, I'm gonna remote just a little bit, and I could capture pretty much anything. I could capture a picture, I could take a video, I can make it full screen. If I want, I could change the actual settings to show more cameras in here. Right now we have it at 4. Now this is just the application that you have to download in order to make this activate, and it's very simple to install. Once it installs, you're going to have to recreate your account, and you're going to have to access your account too. So if you forget the password that you created for this, you're going to have an issue. So you got to make sure you remember that password in order to make this work. Now, besides the phone, there's actually an app, and we're going to take a look at it. EZ Cloud. That's the name of the app. So we're going to open it up right now. And this is the application you could download from the web. Now, to activate your cameras, because right now you guys can see there is nothing activated, you do need to set up your IP address, and you do need to set up a username and password that you created in order to enable the system to work. Now, once you do that, you're going to have access pretty much to playback, device management, user partner, record, screenshots, disconnect all, screen number, all right? And of course, patrol settings and more functions, of course. Now, we're going to go into the devices because right now out of the box, you can't see them. You have to activate them in order to see them. So we're going to activate number 1, number 2. So by activating number 1, you have to double click on it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you have more than 4 cameras, you can activate all 4 cameras in here, or 5 or 6. Remember, up to 10 cameras you can set up. So this device not only has many ways of accessing from your TV to your phone to your computer. So one way I actually have this is like, I don't have access to my TV. I have access to the IP address in the system, and then I'm able to see pretty much everything that's happening during the day and during the night. So out of the box, this whole entire kit is ready to go for either a small business or your home security. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.